Hi there food lovers! Today I'm going to share my take on Ginisang Ampalaya. To be honest, I'm not a fan of Ampalaya. I don't like it. Just for one obvious reason, it's better. However, many said that it's healthy and all that good stuff. So I thought of, why not try it maybe once in a while? Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. First off is you're going to wash the Ampalaya, cut off both ends, then cut in half lengthwise. Then you're going to scrape off the seeds and membranes using spoon. Next is by cutting your ampalaya diagonally, just like so. And after that, you're going to get a bowl, fill it with water, add in the ampalaya and salt. Then you're going to just set it aside. On another bowl, you're going to beat 2 eggs. Then you're going to season it with salt and ground black pepper, then set it aside. You will also need garlic, red onions, tomatoes, salt and ground black pepper, canola oil, and ground beef. For the ground beef, this is optional. This is how I cook my ground beef. On a pan with no oil, cook the ground beef for about 5 to 6 minutes. Season it with salt and ground black pepper. Alright, so let's start sauteing the ampalaya. First off is you're going to heat up the canola oil and then add in the red onions, saute for about 2 minutes until translucent. Then add in garlic and tomatoes until wilted. Next is you're going to add and saute the ampalaya. You're going to cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes uncovered. Make sure to stir it once in a while because you don't want it to stick the ampalaya on the pan. Then add in a ground beef that you cooked earlier. Next is you're going to add the eggs. Okay, after adding the egg, you're going to let the eggs set for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. And then you will start mixing it. Remember that this is on medium-low heat. Okay, so basically you're finished. It's ready. Alright, so there you have it. You have your Ginisang Ampalaya.